Hello everyone. Today I attempted SimCat number 15 and I scored a total of 40 marks, 25 in VRC and I think 7 in DILR and 8 in cons. I know that marks are not good in DILR and cons. I think DILR was not that easy. uh, Actually, right now the review is not open, so I can't predict the difficulty of the questions as of now. But I think that in the ILR, uh, the sets were easy looking, but the questions were not so doable, and I kind of wasted some of my time on the wrong sets. And I did attempt the cave set also, but I made some calculation error, I think, in the prime solutions question. That's why I think I lost my marks there. And other than that, in the con section, there were doable questions, but because of DILR, I had a little regret that I was not able to complete a set that I could have done. So that's why maybe I was not able to pick the right questions in cons too, and I could have done more questions, but I tried to experiment in cons this time, and I chose questions from different topics, like other topics than my comfort topics, and that's why I think I lost marks there. Otherwise it was not that difficult, so I will analyze more when the review is open, and then I will tell you about my actual mistakes. Also, the thing is, I'm satisfied because I was not taking up mocks for a few days. I was on a break because I was not feeling motivated enough to take mocks and sectioners. But I have pulled myself back and I have started attempting mocks again. So I'm happy that I took a mock today, even though the score was not very good. But that's okay. I will analyze my mistakes and I will definitely try to make some improvement in the next mock. So this was about it. This was about today, and we had no class today. So I will analyze the mock once the review is open. But for today, I will complete some lectures. Uh, those are geometry lectures also, and as well as some set theory lectures. So that was about it. Thank you so much for watching. And have you taken the SimCat 15 too? And how was your score? Let me know how you did and what were your mistakes or what you did right. And also have a nice day. All the best for your preparation. And I will meet you in the next video. Okay, bye.